YouTube growth is like momentum. It takes a while to create that initial push, but as the momentum builds, the channel growth can get extraordinary. So the key thing for a lot of YouTubers is to get that initial momentum, which is why in this video, I'm going to cover 5 different ways you grow your channel. Now, if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe so you get updated whenever I come out with videos that range from how to grow your business to good stocks and investing. So we got a lot of different things we cover on this channel. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. But anyways, the first way to grow your YouTube channel is to create videos on the right topics. One of the things I do before creating any YouTube video, before coming up with any title, is searching the potential term, like let's say a YouTube marketing or a certain stock. I put that into the YouTube search engine using Google Chrome, because then vidIQ will show up and let me know if this is a great keyword. vidIQ measures the competition. So are there a lot of other YouTubers covering this already? And it also lets me know the demand. So how many people are actually searching for this? Is this a popular topic? So the sweet spot would be there's a lot of demand for a topic, but not so much supply of videos. That is your opportunity to swoop in and create a great video. One thing that also works for certain channels is breaking news items. So anytime the stock reports earnings, that's an opportunity for me to create a video on it, pretty much share the current status of the company and some of my thoughts. And the earlier you do that right after earnings, the more of an opportunity you have to see some short-term momentum. I was able to, for one of my videos about Pinterest earnings, I was able to get over 1,000 views within 24 hours, which is a significant difference between what I got from that video versus at the time what I was getting for this channel within the first 24 hours. That was like, I believe, the first video where I did 1,000 views in under 24 hours, and I did virtually zero promotion for it. YouTube's algorithm did most of the carrying, and that is something you can get in the long term if you commit to YouTube long enough and are strategic about the videos you create. The second way to grow your YouTube channel is to get really granular with your YouTube thumbnails. The YouTube thumbnail makes a big difference in terms of how many people click. You get more people to click, that boosts your click-through rate. YouTube looks at that and they say, this video is doing a great job of keeping people on the platform. Let's promote this video a little bit more when people search the appropriate keywords. So you may at the beginning not have YouTube thumbnails that convert very well. In that case, within the first 3 to 4 hours, if a YouTube thumbnail is converting poorly, anything under 3% click-through rate, immediately change that thumbnail, go into Canva or whatever you use to create the thumbnails, and put something different in its place. Hopefully you get a better click-through rate. The idea is that if you create enough thumbnails and you look at your data enough, you're going to find some winners, and you're going to find a style of thumbnail you can use to reliably produce 5% or higher click-through rates. That is something you can achieve if you create enough thumbnails and pay attention to your overall style. But if you do generate click-through rates above 5%, that is going to significantly help you moving forward, because the difference between 2%, 2.5%, and 5% click-through rate may not seem like much, but it's double the amount of viewers from the YouTube algorithm. The third way to grow your channel is to create an SEO optimized description. That means you do all of your keyword research and you come up with all of your tags before you write the description, and then you come out with a few paragraphs that are filled with the keyword. Now, there's a way to do it where it feels organic and you're writing for the reader. You're just putting the words here and there, rather than what people did early in the day where they would just copy and paste the tags and keywords and put them at the bottom of the description and do like keyword stuffing. That doesn't necessarily work like it used to. So what you want to do instead is just write a long description talking about the video, some of the stuff in it, while including those keywords that, based on your research with vidIQ, based on the tags you have in your videos, that is the set of keywords and tags you want to optimize for. So make sure you consider that with the description. You're also allowed to include up to 3 hashtags at the very bottom of your description for extra visibility. The fourth way to grow your YouTube channel is to do collaborations. This is one of the best ways to grow on YouTube in general, because you're partnering up with other YouTubers. You're putting one of your videos on their channel, but they introduce you first, and then that YouTuber gets to put one of their videos on your channel and you introduce them first. Do this with enough YouTubers and your channel is going to grow considerably. And the really good thing about this growth is that as you grow more, you can collaborate with bigger YouTubers, which fuels the snowball even further. So start reaching out to a bunch of YouTubers in your space, see if they're open to doing some collaborations, and each collaboration is going to take your channel in the right direction for further growth. The fifth way to grow your YouTube channel is to publish videos more often. Some of the most successful YouTubers find a way to do multiple videos each week, with a select small breed of YouTubers who even do multiple videos per day, which is quite the work ethic. But in any event, the more videos you publish, you give the algorithm more chances to notice your content. You let your viewers see you more often. If you are monetized on YouTube, creating more videos leads to more views, which leads to more money. So there are a lot of reasons why you would want to publish videos more often when it comes to growing your channel. And it was publishing videos more often. That was a big element that helped me hit the 4,000 hour threshold, a big milestone for anyone who wants to become a part of the YouTube Partner Program and get paid for their videos. But publishing more videos, it will certainly help your channel grow. As you perform these 5 different strategies, the snowball will continue to build. At the beginning, it can feel very slow, beginning to midterm as well. But once you see the momentum, any YouTube channel can skyrocket very quickly. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.